here's some places you can go in your Nissan Leaf. So I'm at the Murrayfield Cafe, which is just outside of Levin. It's on the road between Levin and Shannon. And this is a nice cafe. It's got a great outdoor seating area, so it's nice on sunny days. And it's got an inside area as well, so it's also good on not so good days. And also this cafe has a kind of little zoo of really interesting little farm animals, so I'll take a couple of photos and videos of those and put them on here.
Very docile little ponies.
So we've got some little ponies.
Bruce isn't having your photo taken today.
No, they're not.
No.
Here's one goat that wants to lie in the sun, but it's a beautiful day. And mirror image goat on the other side of the fence, also sort of lying. No, is that a goat or a cow? I think that might be a cow. It's a bit far away. There's some really cool moss there.
Moss area.
Here's a green barn taking the job of a traditional red barn. Here's a nice mirror reflecting pond here. This place is pretty awesome. And here's some llamas, or are they alpacas? I'm never really sure. I think they're llamas.